Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to show you guys how to burn off powder coating off of almost any material. And what you're going to need is our good old friend, the blowtorch. Now, I'm going to show you guys how you can burn off powder coating. And I'm doing it on one of my projects, but this will show you guys how a powder coating can be taken off. So stay tuned. All right, so as you guys saw how easy that was, that didn't even take a minute for it to burn off. So if you have a high capacity blowtorch like that that hooks up to a propane, something like this, these are about 30 bucks or so, 30 or $40 for the setup, and it can produce a lot of high heat for this kind of job. Now, be very careful when you do this. You want it somewhere that's as you can see, I'm kind of sweating because it gets really hot because you're very close to the flame. You want it to be somewhere that you don't have anything flammable next to it, wood, plastic, house, um, and you want it to be safe. Either hang it from somewhere elevated or put it somewhere that it's concrete. Do not do this on the pavement, asphalt pavement, or I mean, like if you can do it on a brick pavement, but not asphalt, obviously, because it'll melt it and it'll catch on fire probably. But don't do it next to the house or close to the house. Be somewhere safe, or if you want, you could box it off. But also remember, when you box off things, the heat is gonna escape somewhere, so you're gonna have like a little blaze of heat either coming at you or going up. So be very careful when you do anything like this, and do not cool it down with water because that could cause it to warp. Other than that, just be vigilant, stay safe, and hopefully you could get this done as quickly as possible. So that took about a minute, and so I did this big piece. This took maybe about 10 minutes to burn the whole thing off, and then you're gonna basically either use a paper towel or sandpaper to basically get the rest of it off and clean it off. So make sure you don't leave it outside because it's gonna oxidize, it's gonna start rusting real quick. If you're not gonna, you can't touch it for another hour or two because they're gonna be super hot. So let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below.